Cats remember owners for their lifetime? Cats' memories are like those of 2 to 3 years old children, and they have both short-term and long-term memory. Short-term memory can last for 16 hours. This means that they can hold their grudge for 16 hours. Don't be surprised when your cat suddenly bites you. This is because you yelled at them several hours ago. Long-term memory can last for 10 years, or even for their lifetime, depending on their experience. If we are good to our cats and maintain great relationship, we can be in their head for their whole life. However, if we yell at and punish them very often, after long holidays, your cats will forget you for sure.